phone. Press it once, press it multiple times, I don't know. There's plus minus things or whatever. And I stick this in. You would think that then if I was to speak through this thing, that something would happen. Anything at all. Anything at all. Anything at all. This thing claims hello, 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 a lot of distance, but it's not communicating with this. I just don't know why. I don't know why. Why not? Just communicate with it. So this thing is working, this thing is working. Why they're not interacting, I have no clue. This could be a USB thing. We'll just have to check it out.
Likey